I'm gonna tell you about the balcony farm. Nowadays, because of the climate change, it's even more and more difficult to grow the plants in the outside area. So our concept was to combine the window with the smart farm technology to give back the residents the gardens in their home. Our product does not need to occupy any living spaces. That's our concept. By putting the smart farm here, people can grow vegetables and fruits and other crops year-round, and they can reduce the dependency on store product. They can grow the vegetables and fruits by themselves, and they can consume their own grown vegetables in their house.